What's up YouTube? It's your boy Mike Litteris back at it again with the 5 subscriber special, and here today I'm gonna show you how to be a famous YouTuber like me. Alright, so first things first, you want to get yourself a good topic for your video. So I went ahead and let's pull up this search result real quick.
Hit and keep moving forward, okay? And don't be pointing fingers saying,
Yeah, this looks like a good video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one.
Cowards do that, and that ain't you.
Yeah, this looks like a pretty good video. Yeah, let's use this one. Alright, so now that we got our video file, it's pretty simple. So what you gotta do is go to your YouTube account and see this little little camera thingamabob right here. You wanna click on that. Give that a nice big click. And also smash that like button while you're at. Oh shit, it's another step. Okay. So just like you want to smash that like button and subscribe button, you want to do the same thing to that YouTube button. So here we can upload our file. So what I'm going to do is, see, I put the file on the desktop, so I can literally just watch this magic. Watch this fucking magic right here. Click. Bada bam. Boom pop. Look at that. And there you go. A YouTube video in 5 seconds. It's beautiful. Oh man, it's amazing. And then you just gotta give it a title. You just gotta give it a real good title, and put some tags. Yeah. Oh no. There you go. That's how you do it. So here's my video right here. See, there's me. That's me. And it's as simple as that, baby. It's as simple as that. You got yourself a video, and bam, you get 7,000 views. That's right, baby. So make sure to smash. Oh, that's a bit loud. Okay, hold on. We're gonna have